Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a YouTube short in Studio on PC. Click the Upload Videos button at the top right of your Studio dashboard to open the Upload dialog. A file selection window appears where you can browse your local files. Click Select Files and choose your vertical video file from your computer. It needs to be under 60 seconds long to qualify as a short. YouTube requires a 9:16 aspect ratio, so make sure your video is filmed in portrait orientation. Once the Details page loads, you'll see your video title field at the top and a few sections below, including playlists and audience. Scroll down to the audience section and select No, it's not made for kids. This setting is required before you can proceed to the next step. Click Next at the bottom to move through the Video Elements page without making any changes. This page lets you add end screens and cards, but they're optional for shorts. Click Next again to reach the visibility page where you'll choose who can see your video. You'll see 4 visibility options here: public, unlisted, private, and scheduled. Select public from the visibility options and click Publish. Your video will begin uploading, and YouTube will automatically detect it as a short based on the vertical format and duration. Once processing completes, your short will appear in the Shorts feed. If your video doesn't appear with the Shorts badge after uploading, check that it's vertical, either 9:16 or 1:1 aspect ratio, and under 60 seconds including any added outros. You can edit the title and audience setting after publishing by going back to your content page and clicking into the video's details. Shorts get their own dedicated shelf on your channel page, separate from your regular videos, so subscribers will see them in both places. And that's how to upload a YouTube short in Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.